Oh, how is it, Marys? This is a little disclaimer. Oh, look, it's the Tutti Frutti. Oh, that's the Too Faced one. Oh, this thing going too fast. Oh, watch me open them. Gonna be all purple. Oh, they're her. Okay, now what am I doing? Oh, I'm gonna grab the eyeshadow brush, the crease blender. Oh, wait. Oh, I had to clean them a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put them in the crease of our eyes. It's our transition color. Oh, pause the video. Oh, we're going with the darker purple. Oh, so pretty. Oh, babe, she pee. Okay, now we're going with the glitter blue, blackish looking color. No more names, so I make my own. Oh, darken up that crease, babe. Put them in maybe like a third of the way. Oh, and then use your finger. That's the best blender you get. No need brush. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, Waterline, Urban Decay. Oh, now we have the Perversion, and we're gonna make the wing, which I'm not too good at. Oh, Tarte lashes, and they're the baby. Look, my cousin. Oh, watch me flutter them lashes. Look how pretty. Oh, we're gonna highlight the bone underneath the brow. Oh, yeah, that bugger not as pigmented as I thought it would be. So you have to use a setting spray, or you're gonna have to keep packing that color on. Yep, see, look. Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. Pick her up at your local Ulta. Ooh, Makeup Revolution. This one is P. And she peach and glow. Put them on the apples of the cheek. I don't know where those stay, but I watch YouTube videos and that's where the thing go. And then we do the highlighter. Ooh, boom, Kanani. Look at that bling. Oh, I just keep going. You just pack them on. We're glowing for everybody to see. Oh, on the nose. And then we do the NYX lip liner. Oh, darken them up. Make sure you follow your line. I don't overline because I look funny. And Huda Beauty. They're her. I think that's Gossip Girl. I don't know. I couldn't see. Oh, look how pee. That is a nice color, babes. Pick them up at your local Sephora. Don't tell Ulta I said that. Oh, yes, babe. And then you set them all up with the De-Slick setting spray. Oh, there comes again.